Welcome to another episode of One Trip at a Time. Ngayon naman, binisita natin ang seaside town ng Dauin sa Negros Oriental. Dauin, being the home of Apo Island, is known for its colorful reefs and underwater sanctuaries. Para sa trip na to, we stayed in the newest dive and beach property in Dauin, ang Salum Resort. Tulad ng nakagawian, we will be checking out what this new resort has to offer and rate our stay experience. By the way, if it is your first time in the channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell icon to receive updates every time we have a new travel video. Salum Resort is located 15 kilometers south of Dumaguete City, around 35 minutes na biyahe galing sa airport. Although primarily a dive resort, nagkikater ang Salum sa parehong divers at non-divers. The resort's lush vegetation is broken up by thatched villas on either side. Heading into the end of the property, a few steps from the black, sandy, and pebbled beach, makikita ang central amenity area ng resort. Dito matatagpuan ang Calma Lounge, Calma Spa, ang Dive Shop, Tipon Dining Hall, Bastante Bar, ang beachfront, at ang gorgeous infinity pool. Upon arrival at the resort, susunduin kayo ng buggy cart para dalhin sa Calma Lounge. From its name, Calma Lounge is a beautiful sanctuary for rest and relaxation. Dito rin ang pag-process ng check-in at paghihintay na maging ready ang room. Pagdating namin, binigyan kami ng freshly squeezed and cold calamansi juice. Dumating kami actually ng sobrang aga at ina-expect namin na maghihintay kami hanggang 2 p.m. para makapasok sa room. Pero we were pleasantly surprised na nakapag-assign na ang front desk ng room para makapag-early check-in kami. This was highly considerate of the staff. Pero kung need naman, you can stay in the lounge, order some refreshments, and just soak in this beautiful view of the pool and the sea. Ang pool ay 3 feet sa mababaw na side at lumalalim ng 10 feet sa diving area. Pwedeng mag-swimming sa pool kahit anong oras dahil bukas ito buong araw. Trivia time! Ang pangalang Salum ay isang Cebuano word na ang ibig sabihin ay sumisid or lumangoy sa ilalim ng tubig. Ito ang pinangalan sa resort dahil gusto nilang maging haven ng diving aficionados. Salum Resort is a low-density property with only 17 villas, creating a serene and private oasis. The villas are designed with a fusion of traditional and contemporary elements. The thatched roof gives the villas a rustic and warm feel. The white facade and French doors add instant elegance, and the exposed black beams convey an industrial-inspired twist. While the villas share the same design concept, nag-iiba naman ang room sizes at mga amenities nito. Ang unang villa ay ang Premier Suite. These 32 square meter rooms are situated closest to the amenity area and the sea. The 30% off introductory rate nito ay 9,800 pesos net per night. Ang sunod na villa ay ang Superior Villa. These single units are 26 square meters in size at merong sariling nanay. Ang introductory rate nito ay 8,624 pesos net per night. Ang huling villa ay ang Garden Villa. These are 21 square meter duplex rooms which can be interconnected for larger groups. Ang 30% off introductory rate nito ay 7,056 pesos net per night. This is Villa 15, our Superior Villa accommodation. Tara, pasok tayo. The room has a cozy industrial chic style interior. It features concrete wall and floor finish that is softened by a bright blue foam and orange pillows. Sa mismong gitna ay ang king-sized bed. Sa magkabilang gilid ay mga side tables kung saan makikita ang in-room mobile phone na ginagamit sa pag-contact sa reception. Isa sa unique sa villa na to ay ang alcove na ginawang bed nook at additional na higaan. The gable is made of glass, allowing natural light to flow and giving the space an open and airy feel. Then there are shabby chic furnishings tulad nitong cabinet that adds character to the room. Sa loob ay dagdag amenities tulad ng hanger, bathrobes, extra shelves at ang electronic safe. The bed's wooden headboard extends at the top to become a desk, creating a separate space for the work area, tea and coffee counter, additional shelves, and the mini fridge cabinet. Since there are only a few villas, it would be nice kung lalagyan ng resort ang fridge ng mga local snacks and drinks. The spacious bathroom comes with a single vanity area, toilet, bidet, complimentary toiletries, laundry basket, toilet paper storage, reed diffuser, and a separate hot and cold shower. Nagkaroon actually ng aberya during check-in dahil hindi malock yung door namin. But the housekeeping and maintenance staff were quick to act and pinalitan agad ang lock within a couple of hours. We suggest though that the resort changes to electronic room locks instead of the old-fashioned keys for obvious reasons, including guest convenience and security. Pagdating sa pagkain, merong 3 restaurants sa resort. Una rito ang Tipon Dining and Event Hall. This is where the breakfast service was hosted during our stay. Usually, ang breakfast inclusion ay set meal options. Pero dahil fully booked ang resort, they decided to arrange a buffet setup for our breakfast. In one of the services, the spread was comprised of orange juice, brewed coffee, congee, steamed rice, 3 mains, beef tapa, pork tocino, and boneless bangus, breads, cereals, fruits, and the native budbud chocolate. Meron ding live egg station kung saan pwede magpagawa ng egg or omelette. The second outlet is the Dive Bar and Cafe. Hindi kami kumain dito dahil malayo at nakaharap na to sa mismong highway. Dive Bar promises laid-back vibes where guests can let loose, revel in cool music, and enjoy food. Last but not the least is Bastante Bar. It is a Kubo-inspired outlet with magnificent views of the Bohol Sea. Dito na kami nag-lunch, merienda, at dinner sa buong stay namin. Substantial naman ang menu options with choices of Filipino, Asian, and international dishes. As for the taste, it's honestly a hit or miss. Flavor and consistency are the things the kitchen must focus on to improve food quality. If interested naman kayo sa activities, bilang dive resort, merong snorkeling at diving experiences na ino-offer. Meron silang kompletong diving equipment at professional diving instructors with price starting from 1,950 pesos and up. Kung downtime naman ang hanap, mapupuntahan ang Calma Spa sa second level ng Calma Lounge. Here, you'll get rejuvenating treatments with a view of the gorgeous pool and sea, all for 1,500 pesos per hour. If you feel like night sky watching or having wine on the beach, the resort sets up these comfortable and romantic mats. The clarity of the night sky during summer is impressive at Salum, habang ang tunog ng alon sa shores nito ang nagbibigay ng perfect ambience para makapag-chill out. As for the service, you can see a genuine attempt to help and to personalize the experience. There were a few minor inconveniences which the staff really tried to resolve right away. However, these things could be avoided through a bit of proactiveness. Considering all these, we are giving Salum Resort a score of 8.57. This makes Salum Resort an excellent place to stay in Dauin. So thank you so much for watching and for your support as we explore the world one trip at a time.